Hi friends, in this lecture we are going to see illustration number 5 from ICA study material, which is related to journal itself. And as we can see now, there are 15 transactions in this one question. What we'll do is we are going to divide this question into three parts, like three videos we are going to do, and let us solve five transactions in each video. Let us start now. And as you can see here, the amount is rounded off for two zeros, that means hundreds. What would be the actual value of this 4 lakhs now? 400 lakhs. We are required to add two more zeros if you want to know the actual value. Let us see. So I'm going to erase it off now. Journalize the following transactions and also state the nature of each account involved in the journal entry. Okay, no problem. December 1, 2020. On December 1, 2020, what happened? Ajit started a business with capital rupees 400 lakhs or 4 lakhs. Then what would be the entry here? Simply, whenever Ajit is proprietor here, as you know, Ajit is proprietor now. He is bringing cash to the business, like in the form of capital. When cash is coming in, what is the entry? Cash account letter to capital account. Why? Because it is being brought by Ajit. Ajit is the proprietor to the business. Proprietor is a personal account now. So capital is a personal account. Yeah, you can know. So what would be the entry now? Cash account letter to capital account. This is rupees 4 lakhs. So what are the nature of accounts? Cash account is real account. Capital account is personal account. Okay, this is the first transaction. I'll explain you once again what would be the entry and why we are writing this entry. Whenever the proprietor is bringing the cash, we are not going to record his name directly into our books, as he is a proprietor to the business. We are going to write capital account in the place of proprietor account, as he is the giver to the business according to the personal account rule. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. As Ajit is giver to the business, then we are going to record capital account on the credit side. So to capital account. And to the business, cash is coming in, right? Cash is a real account. So what is the real account rule? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Cash is coming in, so we are going to debit the cash account. So cash account data. What would be the amount here? The amount is 4 lakh rupees. What are the accounts involved here? Nature of accounts. Cash account is a real account. Capital account is a personal account. Now on December 3rd, he withdraw cash from business. For business, he withdraw cash for business from the bank. No problem. Whenever he is withdrawing cash from bank, right? Then bank is the giver to the business, right? So we are going to write to bank account. And as Ajit is receiving the cash, what account is being debited? Cash account. Cash account at to bank account is the entry. What would be the amount for this one? 2000. I'll explain you with this one. Whenever we are going to see withdrawings, then everybody will think that it is drawings account data. No. Whenever the withdrawal is being used for office purpose, here we can see that the transaction is he withdraw cash for business. As you can, I am going to stretch here, as it is for business purposes. He is using this cash. That means he has withdrawn this cash for business use. So cash account is being debited because cash is coming in. Business is receiving cash now because it is being, the cash is being received by the business itself, right? So cash account data to bank account. Bank account, bank is a giver, so we are going to credit the bank account. Now what is the nature of accounts here? Bank account is a personal account. As usual, cash account is real account. Now, December 5th, that is the transaction. On December 5th, he purchased goods making payment through bank 15,000. Simple. Whenever purchases are being made, purchases account data to cash or bank. As bank is, we are going to pay the amount through bank, we are going to record to bank account 15,000 rupees. Now, what is the nature of purchases account? Purchases account is a nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains according to the nominal account rule. As purchases are being the expenditure for the business, it is being debited, and bank account, we are going to credit the bank account because bank account, bank is the giver, the amount is being paid through bank, so bank is the giver, so we are going to credit through bank account. Now purchases account is a nominal account and bank account is a personal account. Now fifth transaction, last transaction for this question, for this video. On December 10th, he purchased furniture and paid by check 2500. Simple, same entry. In place of purchases, we are going to record no furniture simply. Furniture account data to bank account, and you know the amount 2500. 2500. This is the entry which we can write now. Yes. Furniture is coming in, debit what comes in. Furniture is a asset account, asset is real account rule, so real account, as per real account, debit what comes in. Furniture is coming into the business, so we are going to debit the furniture account, and the amount is going out through bank. Bank is the giver now, so we are going to credit through bank account. Bank account is personal account. This is the nature of account, and this is how we are going to treat these 5 entries. Yeah, thank you friends.